Dreaming of a global remote internship? Here's how to make it happen. Imagine working with top companies in the UK, Europe, or anywhere in the world without leaving your house. A global remote internship isn't just about convenience. It's about gaining international exposure, learning from the best, and standing out in the job market. But how do you land one? Stick around till the end and we'll break it down step by step. Let's get started. A global remote internship can set you apart from thousands of other candidates. It's a chance to work in different time zones, understand various work cultures, and make global connections. Plus, international experience looks great on your resume. Employers love candidates who can adapt, communicate, and collaborate across cultures. First impressions matter. Recruiters take just a few seconds to decide if your profile is worth considering. Make sure your LinkedIn and resume are well structured and highlight key skills like communication, self-discipline, and problem-solving qualities essential for remote work. If you're in tech, design, or marketing, a digital portfolio showcasing your projects can significantly boost your chances. Even if you don't have professional experience, add personal or academic projects. Now that your profile is ready, where do you find these internships? Instead of randomly searching online, focus on the right platforms. LinkedIn, Jobs, Well-Found, and Glassdoor regularly post remote internships from startups to big corporations. Also, keep an eye on company websites. Many companies offer remote internships but don't always list them on job boards. Another option could be institutions. There are some institutions that not only train their learners, but also help them find good remote opportunities. Most applicants send out generic applications and wonder why they don't get responses. That's a mistake. Always personalize your application. Mention why you're excited about the company and how you can add value. Show that you're comfortable with remote work by highlighting past experiences where you've worked independently, managed projects, or collaborated online. And if you don't have formal experience, showcase relevant coursework, freelance gigs, or volunteer projects. Landing an interview is great, but now you need to prove that you're the right fit. Companies hiring remote interns look for independent, proactive people who can solve problems without constant supervision. Be ready to talk about a time when you faced a challenge and solved it on your own. Also, show enthusiasm. Hiring managers love candidates who are genuinely excited about the opportunity. And one small but crucial tip: test your internet connection and camera setup before the call. Most candidates apply, interview, and then disappear. A simple follow-up email can make you stand out. After your interview, send a short but impactful email thanking the interviewer, mentioning something specific from the conversation, and reiterating why you're excited about the role. It's a small gesture, but it shows professionalism, attention to detail, and enthusiasm, all qualities that companies love. Many remote internships aren't even listed online. The best way to find them: networking. Start engaging with professionals on LinkedIn, comment on their posts, share relevant insights, and build connections. Join communities like Remote Work Hub or relevant Slack groups where companies often share internship opportunities. Another underrated strategy: reach out to past interns of companies you are interested in. Ask about their experience and if they know of any upcoming openings. You'd be surprised how many hidden opportunities you can uncover just by talking to people. You've got the blueprint for securing a global remote internship. But knowledge alone isn't enough. You need to take action. Start optimizing your profile today. Search on the right platforms, craft personalized applications, and most importantly, keep networking. The right opportunity is out there waiting for you. Your future self will thank you. Grab it now. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with your biggest takeaway. See you in the next one.